How do wildlife professionals conduct habitat assessment research? Imagine walking through a lush forest or a sprawling grassland, trying to figure out if it's a good home for certain animals. That's what habitat assessment research is all about. Wildlife professionals use a mix of tools and techniques to see how suitable an environment is for wildlife. They start by setting clear goals, like checking if a habitat supports a specific species or if land changes are harming the environment. They pick target species that act as indicators of overall ecosystem health. Next, they gather background information by reviewing existing maps, scientific papers, and ecological data. This helps them understand what the habitat should look like and what the animals need to survive. They then use remote sensing tools like satellite images and aerial photos to get a broad view of the landscape. Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, help them analyze features like water sources, vegetation types, and human-made structures. These maps highlight areas that might be important for wildlife or need protection. Field surveys are the next step. Wildlife professionals go into the field with specific goals, collecting detailed data. They measure plant types, canopy cover, and soil moisture. They might set up camera traps to catch images of elusive animals or use audio recorders to listen for bird calls. They also look for signs like footprints, nests, or droppings to confirm animal presence. These methods give a clear picture of what's happening on the ground. To assess habitat quality, they use habitat suitability index models. These models turn field data into numbers from 0 to 1, where 0 means the habitat isn't suitable at all, and 1 means it's perfect. They consider factors like food availability, cover, and water access. Using these scores, they calculate habitat units by multiplying the suitability score by the size of the habitat. This helps compare different areas or see how habitats change over time. All this information is compiled into reports that guide conservation efforts. These reports help land managers decide where to restore, protect, or develop land in ways that benefit wildlife. For professionals working in animal care and conservation, habitat assessment research is essential. It ensures animals have the right environments to thrive and helps in planning safe releases sites for rehabilitated animals. In the end, habitat assessment combines technology, science, and careful observation. It's a vital part of protecting wildlife and making sure their homes stay healthy and safe for generations to come.